Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to open Crosshair X without Steam. Okay, so I have here a solution where you would go ahead and use the pre-installed or the built-in Xbox game bar in your PC. Okay, so to do that, you would need to first, of course, open up Steam for now. You ought to find your Crosshair X. Just make sure that it is running. And once that's done, open it up. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to display modes. Now, instead of using simple overlay mode, this one needs you to open up Steam, okay? We would need to use game bar mode right here. So just follow simple prompts from here. Windows plus G to open up or activate game bar. Here we have it. Now tap away. Now go ahead and click on get extension. It will open up your Microsoft Store. So just click on install right here. Wait for it. And once that's done, close this one. Now go ahead and click on launch. Now open up game bar. Make sure that you click on or enable click through right here at the top. Okay. And once that's done, go ahead and click on pin me. Okay. At the top. You can go ahead and select auto center right here. So it will be fixed at the center. Now, once that's done, just tap away. Now go ahead and enable your crosshair. Okay. Now close it. Close Steam. Let's close Steam right here. Wait for it. And as you can see, we still have our Crosshair X available. Okay. As you can see here, Crosshair X is not running in the background, but instead of using Steam, it will be using your Xbox game bar. Okay. You can just press Windows plus G to disable it, just unpin it. Now Windows plus G once more, and it will be gone. Windows plus G, pin it to enable it, Windows plus G, and it will be right here. Right? I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.